how do they rehabilitate their body, like physically, back into a healthy body? Because you can't just do it all at once and just give them a bunch of food all at once. But but how does that work?
Typically, there are treatment centers, and it's best if someone has really progressed, you know, deeply into their illness. It's best to go into a treatment clinic because they're watched. You know, they're expected to eat a certain amount. It may be, you know, it's very small to start with, and then it progressively gets more. And then they are not allowed to go to the bathroom alone, you know, for 30 to 60 minutes after they've eaten, because if they're known to purge, and so they get, you know, healthy snacks, and so they're getting the classes too. They're getting classes and support groups. I didn't mention, but I should. You know, family support is really important. So family therapy becomes a part of the process.
Okay.
And all treatment centers, you know, bring in family or whoever the significant others are to support them in this ongoing journey of trying to regain their health and get beyond this disease, this illness.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's done gradually, where both the physical and the psychological factors are addressed. In a treatment program.
On average, how long do you think it would take for them physically to actually be able to get back to a healthy body?
That is a good question, and
I'm sure it just depends.
Yeah, it does, but I'm thinking about, you know, it can take a good year or more to really regain some physical health.
Okay.
But it's like alcoholism. It's a disease that they will always be at risk of falling back to that coping mechanism in times of stress.
Okay.
You know, so just like an alcoholic, you know, is always at risk, even if they've been sober for 20 years, they're at risk of falling back to using that coping mechanism of alcohol, you know, in times of great stress. The same as with eating disorders. So you're never really cured.
Yeah.
You know, but it can be arrested. The development of it can be arrested, and you can regain your health.